In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process an owner's draw via direct deposit using QuickBooks Online. This is a great way to ensure that you're handling your financial transactions accurately and efficiently. So, let's dive right in and make this as seamless as possible for you. To start, you'll want to navigate to the New button, which is prominently located at the top left of your QuickBooks Online interface. By clicking this button, you'll open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, you'll need to select Bill. This step is crucial because it allows you to categorize and track the owner's draw properly. Next, it's important to identify the owner as the vendor for this transaction. This might seem a bit unconventional, but it's necessary for QuickBooks to understand who the payment is going to. By naming the owner as the vendor, the software can effectively link this draw to the appropriate person. Moving forward to the category details, you'll need to choose the owner's equity account. If you haven't created this account yet, you'll need to do that now. Setting it up is straightforward, and you need to ensure you're assigning the correct account type. In this case, you should set the account type to equity and the detail type to owner's equity. This step is vital because it ensures that the transaction is recorded in the right place in your books, reflecting the impact on the owner's equity accurately. Once you've set up the owner's equity account and selected it under the category for the bill, you can proceed by entering the draw amount. Make sure to double-check this entry to avoid any discrepancies, as accuracy here is key to maintaining precise financial records. After you've entered the amount, you can go ahead and click on Save and Schedule Payment. This action will redirect you to QuickBooks Bill Pay Service, a fantastic tool that allows you to handle payments directly from within QuickBooks. The best part? You can do this without incurring any additional charges, keeping your transactions smooth and cost-effective. And that's it. You've successfully processed an owner's draw via direct deposit using QuickBooks Online. This efficient method not only simplifies your transaction process, but also keeps your records organized and transparent, helping you maintain a clear financial picture for your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to explore more features within QuickBooks Online to optimize your financial management.